Bird and Kip. Episode 66. Splash! Kip walked toward the playground. Bird walked through the beach. Goose was alone. Goose went to a pond. She swam and swam. Soon, Bird and Kip looked over. "What are you doing?" said Bird. "We're going to a beach." "No, we're not. We're going to a playground." "Come closer," said Goose. They went closer to a pond. "Closer," said Goose. They went even closer. "Show me a list," said Goose. Bird and Kip held up their lid. Splash! Splash! Goose splashed water all over. Bird and Kip are soaked and soaked on their list. "My list is ruined. Mine is too." Goose laughed. Haha. Bird and Kip laughed. Bird and Kip smiled. Everyone. Bird and Kip splashed Goose. Everyone slapped each other. The three friends laughed. "This is fun," said Goose.